In this video, I'm going to reveal how the deployment of thousands of robots controlled by artificial intelligence to Ukraine is closely tied to the future of your career and what you need to understand to protect yourself from this shift over the next 12 to 18 months. I totally get that talking about machines replacing humans in the job market.
Microsoft's AI CEO, Mustafa Suleyman, is predicting most white-collar tasks could be automated within 12 to 18 months. He says that the shift is already visible in software engineering, as AI has already transformed the work by driving the next generation of robotics across industry and across defense. Humanoid robots emerging as the future of warfare, the U.S. accelerating AI integration into combat operations. San Francisco-based Foundation Future Industries is developing humanoid robots built specifically for military use. The company is also scaling commercial deployment across the country.
Sounds like that classic internet hype, just to get views. It is really common to be skeptical and think our white-collar desk jobs are completely safe for a few more decades. The big issue is that the landscape has changed drastically right now. Industry giants like the head of artificial intelligence at Microsoft, Mustafa Suleyman, and the leader of Anthropic, Dario Amodei, just sounded the alarm that this transition has already started in computer programming and is heading straight for factories and military combat today. As a researcher who analyzes tech and defense market reports every single day, I have filtered out the noise of this story to give you exactly what is fact. Any repetitive task that uses a lot of data is about to be taken over by robots within a period of 1 to 5 years. Before we dive deep into the details of this story, tell me honestly, do you think your current job is really bulletproof against machines? Or have you already felt the shadow of automation creeping up on your field? Pause the video real quick, scroll down to the comments, and tell me what your profession is and if you think it will survive untouched for the next 18 months. I want to see who here is optimistic and who is already worried. The World Economic Forum says that nearly a quarter of all jobs globally will change in the next 5 years. Automation is creating a shift that governments still do not know how to handle. In this scenario, a San Francisco-based company called Foundation Future Industries is building robots to help out. Its owner, Sanket Pathak, makes robots for car factories and also for warfare. They sent the Phantom model to Ukraine. It stands about 5 feet 9 inches tall and can carry over 40 pounds. It is way better to send a machine into harm's way than a real person. These robots do 3 main things. First, they carry food and ammo. In Ukraine, drones shoot at anyone who steps out to get supplies, so the robot goes instead of a human. If it breaks, the loss is just in dollars. Second, they do repairs on machines and bases. Third, they go into dangerous buildings to see if there are enemies before the troops go in. The Reuters news agency shows that the war over there is already using a lot of automated systems. It used to be just drones in the sky, but now these robots that walk just like us can get into anywhere with pinpoint accuracy. We are approaching the singularity, which is when machines advance so fast that everything in the world changes forever. There is no stopping this because countries like the United States and China are competing to see who has the best tech. Some say this will be a good thing, since robots will do the heavy lifting and humans will be able to just do what they love. Housing, healthcare, and schools would be for everyone. But Elon Musk warns that this will be like a fast, giant tidal wave. The International Monetary Fund says that artificial intelligence will affect 40% of the jobs on the planet. If we do not get new laws, a lot of people could run out of money while corporations rake in the profits. In the United States, the government is trying to work with fast, new startups to build modern military tech. They want products to go from the labs to the battlefield in record time. The robot revolution is already real, and it is happening right now in a war in Europe. Now, the challenge is learning how to live with machines that learn faster than we do. We need to balance this power to build a better world without leaving folks behind. The future is here right now, and we need to adapt fast. Now that all the cards are on the table and you have seen the actual operational level of these robots, I want your final verdict. Are we heading towards some incredible utopia where humans no longer have to do the heavy lifting? Or are we heading straight for that disastrous tsunami of unemployment that the tech leaders warned us about? Scroll down, drop your most honest theory in the comments, and let us turn this into a real debate, because I will be reading the best responses. The best way for you to adapt is to always stay well informed about every step of this technological evolution. So, if this content blew your mind, leave a like and leave some hype to signal to the algorithm that you want to keep getting our breakdowns and always stay one step ahead of this future. And to keep the momentum going, right now in the top right corner of the screen, a video suggestion will pop up so you can keep following these topics with me. I will see you in that next video. See ya.